our 1995 F-150. It's a 5.0. I bought it about a year ago to try and fix up, and we just didn't have time. A bunch of stuff happened, and we didn't have any time to work on it, and now we do. So we're going to try and start getting it running. It needs a few things, and all we've done is make it worse. So we're going to go through and kind of show you what we've done already and what we need to do to get this truck on the road again.
So we got the old 302 V8. As you can see, she's missing a couple parts. Had to remove the intake, so we installed this brand new heater hose down here. The old one was in about 3,000 pieces. New sensor, but as you can see, circles don't fit into squares, so that's going to be an issue for us. Got the old thermostat here. We're going to replace it with a new one, but we're going to have to clean up these parts a bit. Waiting on a gasket. That's not good in there. Shouldn't be able to dig out metal with my fingernails. Missing a battery. Blew the battery last time, so we gotta get the battery. It needs a freeze plug behind the motor mount, so of course it's the worst one to have to change. Flush the radiator, but honestly that's about it for needing to get this thing running again. So yeah, as you can see in the intro, all we've done so far is drain the blinker fluid. Trying to drop the fuel tank today, the rear tank, smells like varnish in there. Do the freeze plug, assess the brakes. Got a window motor for the driver's side window. Get the thermostat out, we got to put the new one in. Tailgate handle, probably not happening today because the screws are really stripped out for it, and flush the radiator.
Dad has. We can get him for you.
Probably deal with it. Yeah, just get a 1/2 inch wrench. This one definitely needs. You got it?
It's coming. It's gonna bottom out. Oh, wait, maybe not. Yeah, like. Oh, yikers. That ain't good.
Nope.
Look, you did the same thing on this one. There's RTV. Just
Oh
punched
my
it through.
gosh. There it is. Woo!
Wow, that's bad.
Yep. I'm going to show you how not to install a thermostat housing gasket. First, what you don't want to do is not go order the right gasket and then go buy a tube of RTV. Now, most people will tell you to just put a nice little bead. I'm just going to smear the crap all around the surface here. Good enough for me. Good enough for you?
Good enough for me.
All right. Going in.
So now we got to assess the brakes so we can cross that off the list. They're there.
Everything was unhooked from the tank except for these two fuel lines that we could not figure out how to get undone. we had to go buy these special tools that you have to use for the factory Ford fittings. And as you can see, we had lots of issues trying to figure out how to use these things. You want the hammer? Oh, there you go. Let's go.
Oh yes.
Ooh, that stinks though.
It does smell terrible. We did have a sacrifice
Whatever. Rubber band.
in order to do that, but let's get a bucket just for whatever comes out of the line.
Yeah. Alright, dude, that's close though. Ford guys everywhere are just losing their minds.
Good. There's like a hole. I don't know what it goes to. Oh wow, the trans looks good.
Trans?
Yeah, it was definitely rebuilt. So new looking parts down here.
Alright, y'all, so we didn't get to the freeze plug today. We're gonna have to jack the bottom of the truck up to get behind that motor mount. But hopefully you guys will see that in the next episode of Grandpa's Garage.